Okay guys, this is just, it's like a little tree root I found on the beach. You know, you can see there's a crack down there. I've already pre-carved it a couple months ago. It's just something that I've had lying around because I want to make another wind chime. That I sold my other wind chime that I sold my other one to a good friend of mine in the States. So these are the stones that I use. These are just off Amazon, okay? They're, what are they, argillite, sliced argillite or agates, sliced agate stones, okay? They come pre-drilled. You can see the hole in there. That they're pre-drilled. I think they're $2 each or something like that. So I got them off eBay or yeah, I'm pretty sure it was eBay. They come from China. These are just dyed ones, okay? They're not naturally that color, but who cares? Same thing, right? I just like the way these stones sound. You know, like the wind chimes with the aluminum things on, they're really loud. These ones are just very subtle and just a nice simple sound. So let's, I got the holes, I'll drill the holes in next, okay? With a drill and a little drill bit, okay? I'll drill the rest of the holes. Okay, so all I do is just get a little drill bit just like this. I don't know what size it is. And I drill some holes where I think the things are going to be good to hang. Not too far apart from each other because you want them to be able to hit with the wind. So like I think that one's good here. I think one right here would be good. Because I don't need my hammer drill part on my drill. So that's, I got 1, 2. Okay, so, and you don't want them too close so you think that they'll like wrap up in each other too. I don't know. I'm no pro at this, guys. This is just for fun. This is just something that I've had lying around. Thought it was a good day to get to it. Okay, so all the holes are drilled in this little funny wood spirit. 2-second carving, guys. You can carve anything you want on something like this. So I got all the, I just use real thin fishing line. I already got it tied around, put it through the drill holes, the drilled holes, whatever I'm saying. Now I'm just going to wrap it up, push it up through the drilled holes in the wood. Okay, so all I do, it might be easier to hang this and do it because you have to know where you're going to hang your things. I just wrap it around the stick a couple times, the fishing line. Okay, and then I put a knot. Then I tie a couple knots in the bottom around the line. Whatever, you guys will figure out your own way to do it. Okay? I'm such a terrible cameraman, but it's a real simple project, guys, and they look pretty cool, and I love the way the stone sounds. Okay, so you see that's hanging there now already. Stone. Okay? So what I'm going to do is just tie a couple more knots in and get all the other ones hung up. Terrible cameraman. Okay, so I got this piece of copper here. See how I kind of just rounded it a bit? I don't know, I just cut it quickly with 10 snips. Just something I had lying around. I'm going to screw this little eyelet onto the bottom here. I'll screw it in here. Okay, and then I'll put this on, so this will be the wind catcher. I don't know, to make this is something else, something different. Jesus. Okay, guys, you can see I got it hanging up here. I just used this fishing twine to hang it. I got the wind catcher thing on. So all these little nubs, see these fishing line nubs? I'm just going to heat those up with my lighter quick and that will get rid of them. But don't melt your fishing line. See, it's gone. Just like that. Anyways, and then we'll go hang her up outside. Okay, guys, so here it is. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and I love to read them and I love to answer them. So there's my little silly spirit. That's called Song of the Spirit, guys. Song of the Spirit. Just a little simple project anybody can do. Works good. See how this thing really catches the wind, and that will move it. That moves it all around.